Hello everyone, if you try everything and it still doesn't work, you still have Battlefield 2042 in still stock on loading screen, and I have a solution for you. This will work for me and I hope let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do is go to this links. Okay, I'm gonna leave the description of this video. First one, let's start with this one first. Make sure you go here, direct X and user, and you install this. It's very easy to install, it's super easy actually, and make sure you're doing this. And the next step is to install Microsoft Visual C++. It's very easy as well, just click on here and install. The process is super easy. Now if you have NVIDIA cards, make sure you go to drivers here. I'll leave in the description of this video this link, and click on download. This automatically will notify if there's any driver releases and will help you to install the latest drivers pretty much, and it's a pretty good tool. Make sure you install this as well. And now if you have a AMD, click on download here, and that's pretty much it. And this will fix the problem for me, and as well as going to updating my Windows 11. That's what I use, Windows 10 as well, updating Windows. But another trick that I found is pretty cool is go advanced options. You go now to optional updates, and here I went here, and here make sure you also check all the boxes here and click on download and install. Now if there's some drivers related to Logitech or other things like that, that's fine as well. Make sure you're doing that as well. Okay, so that's the video, guys. I hope this video is gonna help you. I hope this video will help you. Please let me know in the comment section if this video helped you. I really want to know, and make sure you subscribe for daily tutorials. This will really help a lot this small YouTube channel. So thank you for watching, and